I'm Chris, and this is my French farmhouse restoration project. Ah, what are you doing up there? Have you made a nest? Who's that behind you? Who is in there behind you? Hello! How's it going? You made yourself a little den? Have you made a den in there? Honestly, you and your brother, you're so funny. This is your new hiding spot. Okay. So, we've come to the next stage of this restoration of my lean-to project. I've taken off 95, maybe 98% of the old ugly render on the stone facade at the back, and now I need to take a look at these broken panes of glass because they're unsightly and probably quite dangerous. So I'm going to start removing them, and then we can assess what we need to do. So I've got a bit of an idea that I'd quite like to see what this steel frame is like before I pull it all out and go with a different idea, which was going to be a timber construction. I feel like I should give it the benefit of the doubt first. So if we take this glass out and then we do a couple of sample pieces by rubbing it down and painting it, and it will give us an idea of potentially what it could look like when it's all repainted and reglazed. So this is proving to be a lot tougher than I first anticipated. I think I'm going to need a plan B because a hammer and chisel isn't getting through this old solid putty. So as you can see, I don't know if I can get a close-up on this, it's got these little pins holding it in, and then it's puttied all the way down, and you know, it's just all broken. It's in a terrible state. Look, there's all great big sharp edges everywhere, so it's got to go. I'm going to attempt to get this little pin out, and then hopefully clear the gap behind it and take this first broken piece out. I feel like it's going to go. Hey, there we go. She is out. Perfect. I'm really pleased we're starting to get this glass dealt with. It's been such a an eyesore for such a long time that I'm really starting to feel like there's progress being made on it now, especially with the old render being removed and now this glass coming out. I feel like I'm almost turning a corner. Once I get it all cleaned up and get the new panes in, all that's left really is to repoint and talk about doing the roof. Fast approaching lunchtime, so I had a spare chicken. And I should point out, this is not one of my chickens. This is a chicken I bought from the supermarket. I've never eaten my chickens. So I'm having roast chicken and roast potatoes for lunch. What do you think of that? Now, I did some, well, take a look at this, see what you think. Trust me, they taste nice. I did some Brussels sprouts with it. Those are not burnt, okay? They're not burnt. I glazed them in honey. So they look burnt, but they taste nice. I'm gonna go and have my lunch. Better put my glasses on. Keep forgetting. Yeah. Because otherwise I could be in trouble here. I don't want glass in my eyes. So that's the first bit out. Check it out. One nice big broken piece there, look. And there's loads like that. I say loads, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panes that are like that. And there are also the 6 panes, well, the one in the middle had a hole in it and the cats like to come and go through there. And it just felt like at some point it's going to cause an accident if a piece falls out. So 1 down, 5 to go. Piece number 2. That is making me very happy to get that out. Just gonna try and get this bit here out as well. Another little pin. There's quite a lot of those little pins. That's it. Right. So I've just got to remove all that putty around the edge on that bit and then carry on above. I'm using a multi-tool because I started off trying it the old school way with a hammer and chisel, and quite frankly it's too tough for that. I would have been here for a week. But once it's all out, I will clean it all up completely. I think I'll do a test sample. I'm going to get the glass out of 2 of these, and then I'm going to give it a good wire brush and a metal treatment, like a Rust-Oleum or something like that, and then give it a nice coat of black. And we'll take a little look. We'll do a tester and see if we can get it somewhere like it used to be many moons ago. If I'm not happy with it, it will do for the interim, and then in a couple of weeks, when I've been paid, I might start doing it in timber instead. But But I wanted to at least investigate this way of doing it first, just so that we know, yes or no. So let's get the rest of that out and clean the frame up. There's a lot of putty. A heck of a lot. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a scratching post and a bed. And this is what I've had to do because my cats have decided that they want to use my chair as a scratching post. So I've come up with a rudimentary anti-scratching post device, which is known as tinfoil. I saw it on Instagram and someone said put tinfoil on there, and cats don't like that. They've got a perfectly good scratching post right next door, but no, they felt the need, excuse me, I've got dust in my nose. They felt the need to scratch the top of my chair, and they started getting into a habit of it, so we've taken care of that now. Let's see how I get on. I hope they pay attention, because I can't have them scratching that. That will really annoy me.